In this part, we have to discuss one of the special cell organelle, lysosome, found in only animal cell. Lysis refers to breakdown. Soma refers to body. It's a structure or body which contain some hydrolytic enzyme, digestive enzyme, breakdown enzyme. Hence, it's called what we call the name lysosome, mainly found in animal cell and generally in plant cell, except some insectivorous plants, the lysosomes are absent. If you take the structure of lysosome, basically it is covered by a special unit membrane, and that unit membrane is mainly made up of the steroid and fatty acid. Yes, here one of the significant point is there. Most of the unit membranes, most of the cell membranes are made up of lipoprotein, whereas it's made up of steroid and fatty acid because there is a presence of plenty of protein digesting enzyme, lipid digesting enzyme. Then that enzyme may dissolve proteins and lipids. For that reason, here steroid and fatty acid layer form the lysosomal membrane. Inside that, the special what we call different types of enzymes are there. These enzymes may digest proteins, lipids, carbohydrates, even nucleic acids also. Therefore, structurally it's a very simple organization formed from the Golgi complex. The Golgi complex vesicles itself we call the lysosome if they contain digestive enzymes. Then if you take their function, it's functional what complexity is more in case of what the especially the lysosomes. It's what we can say typical animal cell. I shown at center the especially nucleus, near nucleus there may be presence of one or two the Golgi bodies, and these Golgi bodies when secrete lysosomal enzyme, that lysosomal enzyme containing bodies itself acts as a primary lysosome. Although repeatedly we are saying that lysosomes are suicide bags of cell, but they play a very important role in a different functional mechanism. Therefore, the functional significance when you take the especially lysosome, it's a very wonderful. It helps for intracellular digestion. Digestion takes place within cell, we call intracellular digestion. Mainly intracellular digestion is seen in lower organisms, protozoans, coelentrates, poriferans. They shows what you can say intracellular digestion. Suppose it is a solid food or liquid food. That solid or liquid food directly taken by cell. If cell directly take any solid food into cell, that what we call phagocytosis, and that a body we call phagosome. Phagosome is a food vacuole formed by phagocytosis. The process of direct engulfing of solid food is called phagocytosis. Like that, if any liquid food is taken by especially a cell, that we call pinocytosis, and that body is called pinosome. That means here food may be taken by cell directly by process phagocytosis and pinocytosis. As a result, there is a formation of a body called pinosome or phagosome. This food vacuole combines with the lysosomal enzyme. Lysosomal enzyme. How they form? By the combination of lysosome, primary lysosome and food vacuole form a special vesicle that is called digestive vesicle. Yes, sir. Listen here. Food and digestive enzyme mixed in that bag or vesicle. Automatically there is a digestion of food. Digested food is given to the cell. And some undigested material is remained that we called residual body or remained what? A undigested food, and it is given out by exocytosis process. Yes, this diagram gives us the clear knowledge how the intracellular digestion is take place. Very simple process. The intake of food is take place by phagocytosis and pinocytosis. We call ingestion. After that, that food is digested within what we call cell intracellular digestion. Then digested food is absorbed by cell. Then undigested food is given out by exocytosis, that is called egestion. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. The same similar what? The step of digestion, whatever is seen in higher animals, same phenomenon takes place during intracellular digestion with the help of lysosome. Then second one, they remove worn out cell organelles, means dead cell organelles. How? Organisms having lifespan, like that cells also having lifespan. Within cell, once again, cell organelles also having lifespan. Suppose if you take, there is a dead mitochondria. That dead mitochondria we call worn out mitochondria. That mitochondria combines with what? The specially a lysosome and form digestive vacuole. Digestion of that mitochondria takes place with the help of lysosomal activity. Whatever the useful material is there, it is taken by the specially cell. Undigested food form, once again residual body given out through the exocytosis. In such a way, dead or worn out cell organelles are removed by lysosome. Third one, especially in case of WBC, they kills pathogens. Pathogens are killed. Suppose you take it is a virus, and that virus is engulfed by WBC and mixed with lysosome and form what you can say digestive vacuole. In a digestive vacuole, virus is killed, digested. From the virus, whatever the useful material is there, it is taken by cell. Undigested food is given as a residue and it is given out. Then, in previous discussion, already we know that acrosome is a modified Golgi complex, but it contains lysosomal enzyme. Hence, this lysosomal enzyme dissolved egg membrane during what you say fertilization time. That helps to enter the sperm into the cell, and it also helps to remove abnormal cells, cancer cells and unwanted cells from the specially body. That is another important function of lysosome, and lysosome play a very important role even in what you say the specially a discharge of a menses, that columnar epithelium is discharged by the action of lysosome. And lysosome we called a suicide bag of cell, because when cell is under starvation, means cell may not get food for long period. At that time, what happens? The lysosome dissolved other cell organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi complex. From that, whatever the food and energy source is there, that is given to the cell. Finally, if food is not available, finally it also dissolves the nucleus. As a result, death of cell is take place. Hence, under critical condition, the lysosome acts as a suicide bag of cell. And it will be also called time bomb of cell. Because every cell has a particular lifespan. For example, you take especially RBC, it can able to lead their life 120 days. Then platelet 8 to 10 days, 24 days WBC, skin epithelium 1 month, like that. After their aging, that especially aged cells are dissolved by the lysosome. Hence, it acts as a time bomb of cell. After aging, cell from our body removed by the lysosomal activity. In such a way, although it is a small structure, it plays a very important role in our body. Another very special cell organelle only found in case of animal cell is centrosomes. The special structure that is centrosome is a body which having a centrioles. It has a spear-like structure we called centrosphere. In that centrosphere, there is presence of two special rod-like structure that are centrioles. These centrioles arranged in a centrosphere like a capital T. These two rod-like structures we called centrioles, and the centrioles present in amorphous a spherical liquid. That liquid is called centrosphere. And this centrosphere and centrioles together called centrosomes. Hence, the specially centrioles having body is called centrosomes. That is, centrioles having body is called centrosomes. Then each centrosome contain centrosphere. It's a ball-like structure, non-membrane structure, which is generally having two centrioles. These two centrioles arranged like a capital T letter. That rod-like structure arranged like a capital T letter. And once again, they having 9 microtubules. Therefore, if you take enlarged view of single centriole, they having a 9 microtubules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 microtubules having once again a subtubules. As a result, each microtubule possesses totally 3 subtubules, and that itself form the rod-like structure, that specialized a rod-like structure which is made up of 9 tubules. We call the name centriole, and each centriole having diameter 2500 angstrom unit and length of what? The 5000 angstrom unit. And such rod-like structure, what we call the name centriole. These centrioles arranged in a spear-like structure, centrosphere. Each animal cell compulsory possesses 2 centrioles. Typically, if you take centrioles, they helps to form ester, a star-like structure during a cell division, that we once again consider in the next chapter under cell cycle chapter. And second one, most important, they helps to form flagella. For example, euglena, human sperm, they having a locomotor organ flagella, and also helps to form cilia, as we see ciliated epithelium of our body or cilia of paramecium. They are all formed from the specially centrioles of the centrosome.